Hi, this lesson is about map skills, and what I want people to learn is how to read the skills of map scales. So I've listed some different scales that you can find on the map. I'm going to talk about which ones are the smallest, which ones are the largest, and then what do they actually mean. So each map, to make it more accurate, has to have a scale. And these are normally represented as a fraction, or as a line scale, or even as a sentence. What we've got here is some ratios. So when we're looking at a map with this type of scale, that 1 stands for centimetres. So every 1 centimetre on the map, in real life, is 100. Okay? 1 to 100. Okay? So that would be 1 to 10 metres if we were trying to work out gradient. So to turn our units into the same from centimetres to metres, we always divide the number by 100. Okay? So this is a large scale map. That means it's been increased so much so that the type of map that we would look at would be for a room inside a house. So architects might use this type of map scale. This is a small scale map because it hasn't been enlarged that much, and this one would be for a world map. So with that in mind, when you're trying to calculate distances on the map using these scales, so if we were looking at this one, and this one would probably be a GPS map, so we'd probably use this on a grid reference map. If the scale was 1 to 10,000 and the distance I was measuring on the map using a ruler was 5 centimetres, what does that mean? Well, it would be 5 times this, which would be 50,000. So that's 50,000 centimetres, but we don't do centimetres in real life. We divide this by 100, and this is to convert it into metres. To do that, cross those out. So 5 centimetres on our map in real life is 500 metres. So that's going to really help you when you're looking at trying to work out gradients on the map when we haven't got a line scale. So that's our meaning of our map scales, and we can use it for distance, we can then use it for gradient, we can then use it for vertical exaggeration. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope that helps you to read maps a lot better. Okay, thanks for that.